Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great and you're safe. If you are into your 11th or 12th standard commerce, there's a big question mark in every student's minds that what exactly to do in this lockdown period. Because you're either binge watching, you're watching Netflix, you're watching Hotstar, you're watching all of the stuff which you can get your hands upon, and at the end of the day, you're asking yourself, आपण करतोय काय? काय करायचं आपल्याला? एक्झाम डेट्स का येत नाहीयेत. वर्षा मॅम कधी पुढे येऊन आपल्याला डेट्स सांगणार आहेत? When is that day going to come? In the meantime, there are other students also who are thinking about the future. कि सर हमको CA करने का है, CS करने का है, CMA करने का है, सर क्लासेस भी लगाने का है इसका. But सर कब टाइम आएगा, कब हम एग्जाम देंगे? Then we'll join classes. If this question is there in your mind, well, do watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to exactly tell you that how you should choose either CA, CS or CMA as your career. That's the most important question right now in every student's mind, because you need to invest this time which you have got in your hands in a very proper manner. So, the main question, CA, CS or CMA, well, I'm going to address you in this video in a very proper manner so that the dilemma which is there in your mind which will go away. The second part is at the end of the video, you will get a lot of information about HGPA's new upcoming batches on foundation. So do watch the video till the end. Okay, so let us get this started. Okay, so whenever you enter your college, your commerce college, 11th standard, 12th standard, you know there's that one friend of you which comes to you and tells you, चलना CA करते हैं. तो भी मन मानता है हाँ खरोखर यार CA क्या बहुत भारी कोर्स है, पैसा भी बहुत मिलेगा अपने को. So you go with him and you enroll first classes and you start your classes. You have no idea what is CA. ऐसे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं जो बोलते हैं अरे वो सीए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, मत जा वहां पे, अपन सीएस और सीएमए करेंगे, हम उसमें ही खुश हैं. So see, remember one thing, there are many students who come from CS, CMA backgrounds. Okay, their parents, any of the relatives is either a CS or CMA, so they guide their students in a very proper manner. But there are many students also which come from non-CS, CMA background, so it becomes very difficult to exactly which career to choose. So this question is going to get answered in this video. So let me get this started. My name is CS.Harshwardhan Gaikwad from HGPA classes, and I'm going to take you through each one of it. Now before I start telling you all about these three courses, let me tell you the similar points, the similarities between these three courses. All the three courses are at par. Yes, that's right. कोई आगे पीछे नहीं है. नहीं सॉरी, ये कोर्स बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. All the three courses are at par. Now when I say at par, let me start by telling you the most important point, and that is which every student has, and that is sir कितना पैसा मिलेगा वो बताओ पहले. पास होने के बाद पैसा कितना मिलेगा, हमको पैकेज चाहिए हमको. So listen out. So if you clear your CA, CS or CMA as a fresher, as per recent statistics, you will be getting a package of round about somewhere between 7 to 9 lakh rupees. So that is going to be a yearly package. That is the first question which everyone has right now. Question number 2, sir, choose कैसे करें? CA, CS or CMA. So let me take one course at a time. I'll start by taking the most which is not known out there in the society, and that is CMA, that is Cost Management Accountant. Now let me throw some light on this course, that is CMA पे. Many people are not aware of this course, but it's a wonderful course and the prospects in India are a lot more. As you all know, the government is bringing out a lot of new initiatives for India. For example, Make in India initiative. Now this is booming the manufacturing sector to another level. The expansion in manufacturing sector, the industries are growing, and that is why a cost accountant, that is a cost management accountant, is very important for every organization. So what does a CMA do? A CMA decides the prices for products. He actually lists all the expenses for every product, which is very important to any company. So if you out there want to become a CMA, you will be dealing in a costing department of a company. You will be dealing in numbers, all the calculations. So if that is your cup of tea, well, CMA is for you. And let me tell you one thing, CMA is going to have immense prospect in the coming years. Second course, that is the most famous of all the three, and that is the Chartered Accountancy. Okay, that's the first thing which you will hear if you enter in any commerce college. So what exactly is there in a CA? So let me tell you one thing, the curriculum which is drafted by the institute is more focusing on financial accounting and taxation. Okay, so if accounts is your cup of tea, you love accounts right now, right from 11th, 12th standard, well yes, you can go with CA. The scope of CA is actually a bit more as compared to CMA and CS. Well, from small shops to big MNCs, a CA is going to work upon. especially in accounting and taxation. Point number 3, company secretary. A CS will be dealing with all the laws and compliances. कौन सा law follow करना है, कौन से compliances हैं. Just to tell you, a company secretary is also called as a compliance officer. And also more on to it, a company secretary is also one of the member of KMP, that is key managerial personnel, that is at the top of the hierarchy. So if I want to sum up the discussion, all the 3 belong to some or the other category. Conclusion, a CA, financial accounting, a CMA in costing, and a CS in legal and compliances. So if you're clear about this, it's okay. But if you still have doubts, कि sir नहीं अभी तक नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, we at HGPA classes are giving out free personal counseling to every student out there. So you can WhatsApp or call on the number flashing on your screen, and you can get in touch with all our team members so that they can help you out with this thing. Point number 2, we are coming out with fresh batches for CA Foundation, CMA Foundation and CSEET, which are starting on 5th of May 2021. That is this coming Monday. Let me tell you, we have an exceptionally outstanding results from HGPA classes. Many students have come out cleared with flying colors. We can check out on all our social media handles the reviews of all our past students. And you will come to know one thing, that we have some of the major highlights which the other coaching academy do not have. Point number 1. Well, the most important is when the parents are coming, they have the one question, क्या मेरे बच्चे को personal attention मिलेगा? Yes, that is right. So we don't have crowded classes at all. We have a very personal attention. The number of intake is very less per batch, so that every faculty out there is concentrating and giving personal attention to every student. Point number 2, talking about faculties, we have an exceptionally outstanding team, which is best. Yes, I can assure you one thing, that your kids' future is in very safe hands. The foundation team is CMA.Kapil Talreja, CA.Raveena Kumar, CA.CS.Shweta Jain, and me myself, that is CS.Harshwardhan Gaikwad. And I can assure you one thing, your kids' foundation is into a very great and safe hands. And the third most important point is, we are providing quality education and the most affordable manner. And when I say affordable, I literally mean affordable prices, so that every student out there can aim for becoming the CA, CS or CMA. So, if after watching this video, you have not come to a conclusion that yes sir, abhi bhi doubts hai, you can either give us a call, we can come in touch with you. And if you want to attend the big batch which is coming, and this is tailor made for 12th standard students, okay? So if you want to become a part of this, you can simply WhatsApp or call on this number. Also one more thing, the moment you get admission in HGPA classes in CA Foundation or CMA or CSEET, we have our own app, HGPA app, on the Play Store or iOS. You can simply download it, and we are also giving unlimited views for our students. So for example, if you take admission for CA Foundation and if you unfortunately miss out on any batch, so you will be getting the recordings on the HGPA app with unlimited views. We are not like any other coaching academy where the views are restricted. There's nothing like that. The views are unlimited, you can watch it anyhow, okay, and anytime and anywhere, okay? So why wait? Take a smart decision right now. Download the HGPA app today, and also get in touch with all our faculty members and be a part of the great HGPA classes, okay? And one more thing before I sign off, if you're 18 plus, do get the vaccine registration and do get the vaccine also, okay? And spread this video in all your 12th standard commerce students, and please do get in touch with us. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.